Pro tip, save money, use cheap nippers. Hey guys, welcome. I'm Lincoln Wright, and if you're new to the channel, I work as a professional modeler and I did it in Japan for quite a few years. I was that one gaijin Japanese pro modeler. As I sat down to work today, I opened up a new box and started getting everything ready and reached for a pair of nippers. After I pulled them down, I realized, hey, I've got all the expensive ones. I has all the nippers. Why did I choose the cheap pair? And the answer quickly came back. I thought, it's because you're going to prepare it for paint. You don't need to use the expensive ones. Hey, I better tell my buddies on YouTube about this. If I'm doing a snap build that I'm probably not going to paint for a display Gunpla, for example, I will use my high-end guard hands because they keep the nub fixing work to a minimum. But if I'm preparing a book, now this is professional work for a publication, I'm doing this machining cricket kit, it's going to go through quite a few steps. Fixing the nubs is like just one of the things along with the seam lines and preparing it for paint. So the cheapest good nippers are the ones I instinctively grabbed, and I thought, I've got to tell my buddies in the community about this so that you can save money too. This is the one I recommend for volume work. I believe it's got a name now. It's called the Keroro, which is a play on words. It's a joke about frogs. So please save yourself some money. Buy some of the lower end nippers from the good companies. I recommend, say, Guard Hand or Minishima are my favorites. And see if you can pick them up at your local hobby shop. I want to say I got them from my local hobby shop, but I got them from Shizuoka Hobby Show from my friends who work at God Hand. And I was with my buddies from my local hobby shop. I was fighting with my buddy Ryan San Pedro on who would score at the God Hand giveaways. And he's still dirty about it, which makes it even funnier. And please let me do a shout out. Thank you very much to the epic Paint on Plastic robots who support me to make this channel happen. I couldn't make this content without you guys. The Paint on Plastic community are wonderful folks. Thank you very much for your support. Respect my community. Thanks a bunch, guys. See ya.